Good morning. Under Viksit Bharat Buildathon, today I, Tanvi Sharma, and my friend Akshara Thapa, student of class 12th, are here with the idea titled Making the Sound Count. We have seen that there is lot of noise created in crowded places which can be utilized if work upon it.
The idea is to convert the sound and voices of people in crowded places like stadium, halls, etc. to the electrical energy. Piezoelectric effect, electromagnetic induction and thermoelectric effects can be used for conversion. We are working on the idea and prototype is yet to be made.
Thank you.
Thank you.